Hi friends, welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we would be understanding quality management in that APQP, means to say Advanced Product Quality Planning. These are all the various topics that we would be covering. One is the need for this particular APQP, definition of the APQP, time frame, and then various phases that are going to be there in APQP and how we can easily manage that particular things. We need to understand a project management needs to be effective, at the same time it also needs to be efficient. So when we are having our requirements very clear, of course advanced product quality planning will significantly help us in achieving these particular results in the project management. From a definition point of view, to have a qualitative approach in completely managing this particular project, we need to have the APQP. So it is something like an advanced planning that we are going to do for various activities that we are planning to achieve in this particular project. We can understand the phases. First phase is the plan and define the program or the project, where we would be having the charter for this complete project management, where what are all the objectives of the project management, what is the scope of that, what are all the criteria that it is going to refer, all the things be very much clear. And finally, when our definition is very clear from the project management front, we can easily have our product design and development. That means to say it gives an output as drawing, technical specification and various other requirements for the validation and other things. Finally, we can have a process design and development. It is a next step, or sometimes it can be also started with a parallel in the product development phase itself, where various process design like machine selection or the technology selection for this particular process, whatever we are intending, can be planned and designed. Once these particular things are done, we need to have the verification with no loads and validation. That means to say we would be adding certain external loads like additional vibration, additional mechanical loads like thermal load or chemical load on this particular product or system. With that extra load, this particular product or system has to function properly for the required levels. Finally, if everything is okay, we give go ahead for the production launch, and we can easily capture certain feedbacks and correct that particular process from that particular stage. We need to also have corrective action, preventive action, and every product will be having its own termination. So for that particular termination also we need to prepare for the right manufacture of spare parts or other service requirement of this particular component or the system, whatever that we are delivering. Gate reviews of the projects is also very crucial, because whatever that we intend to start sometimes can change over a period of time because of various uncertainties that is going to be there. So we need to be very clear from procedure point of view what is going to be there for the gate reviews of projects, planning and doing the reviews with the right moderator in place. Also, after we have to do a documentation and follow up of various actions that are required to close the gaps in this particular project management reviews that we are going to have. To conclude, we understood the importance of APQP and how we are going to define APQP and what are all the things it can add a lot of value in our project management. That's all in this video. Thank you so much.